Indosa is India's one of the largest manufacturing company in educational science and laboratory equipment. It has a wide range of equipment for making science learning fun and easy.
Today we will be studying the experiment G by free fall. We all know what the small g is. Small g, we call it the acceleration due to the gravity. So in this experiment we will be having one solenoid, and from this solenoid one ball will be suspended. So we will say two photogates at some, let's say at distances h1 and h2. There will be two photogates, one at h1 and one at h2. h1 is the distance from this point, from the point of the suspension of ball to the first photogate position, and h2 is the distance from the point of the suspension of ball to the second photogate. So let us now, when this ball will be released, let us consider that after a time t1 it will cross the first photogate, and after a time t2 it will cross the second photogate. So we can write h1 equals to half g t1 square and h2 equals to half g t2 square. So if we do h2 minus h1, we will get half g t2 square minus t1 square. This one we will get. So from this we can get this g, which is acceleration due to the gravity. In this experiment we will require the following items. So you can see this is G by free fall stand. We will mount this stand and we will attach several items with this G by free fall stand. So this is the solenoid, and this is the first photogate, and this one is the second photogate. Now apart from these three items, you can see that we require one Indosa timer and one solenoid interface. So this solenoid interface and this Indosa timer, both of these are charged by these two adapters. So I have connected solenoid interface and the Indosa timer with the adapter so that they are continuously forward. Now I have connected two flexible plug-in leads, one red and one black, to the solenoid, and two USB cables from these two photogates, they are going also to the Indosa timer, and one USB cable is also connected between solenoid interface and the Indosa timer. We will be now showing how to set the appropriate mode to perform the experiment in the Indosa timer. So at first we will switch on the Indosa timer. Now the time stopwatch mode will be coming. So now I will just change I will just push the select button. So now time 1 gate has appeared. Now I will again press this select button, so time pendulum will appear. So after few push, the time 2 gates will appear. So this time 2 gates has been selected. Now I will start the start stop button. I will push this start stop button. So I am pressing this start stop button. So now this star will appear. So now I will perform the experiment. So after selecting the time to get mode, I will just attach this ball to the solenoid. So since a magnet has been established in this solenoid, so it will stick to this solenoid. Now after this, I will just press the start stop button in the Indosa timer. So the ball, it will be detached and it will pass through both of these gates. You can see that time 0, it already appeared in the screen of the Indosa timer, and time 0 it is showing 0.1979 second. So now I will press the review button. So time 1 it will come 0.3472 second. So time 1 is 0.1979 and time 2 is 0.3472. So now from this time 01 and time 1 value, I will find the acceleration due to the gravity, which will be shown in this whiteboard. Now we will determine the acceleration due to the gravity. So this is our formula, h2 minus h1, this equals to half g t2 square minus t1 square. So by using this formula, we will determine. So we have got T1, this equals to 0.1979 second, and we have got T2 equals to 0.3472 second. So from this we can determine T2 square minus T1 square. We will determine this one, and we will also determine H2 minus H1 from these two photo gates which are attached to the scale within the stand of the G by Prefall apparatus. So at first we will determine these two, then we will determine G from this formula. So we will determine G, our formula for G will be H2 minus H1 divided by 2 into H2 minus H1, this 2 will come. So divided by T2 square minus T1 square. T2 square minus T1 square, it is approximately 0.0814 second square. So this is T2 square minus T1 square, and H2 minus H1, one scale is attached with these photo gates, one scale. So from this scale you can see that one scale is attached and photo gate is attached with this scale. So from these two scales, the difference between reading of these two positions of the photo gates, you can get H2 minus H1, which is 0.398 meter. So by using this formula or this formula, you can find G equals to almost 9.77 meter per second square. So this is the value of G which we will get in this experiment.
Thank you for watching this video. Please visit us at www.indosiedu.com.